John Salvador of PUP, the official statement.
Oy, puntos yun na.
Partida niya ito.
Ligaran of Arcado and JJ Malanay of Depend Rizal, official stable please for the men's heavyweight division. Heavyweight division. Second ball of JJ Malanay of Depend Rizal. Once again, good morning to all viewers and all people here at SM Fairview. You are witnessing the Boss League World Harness Open 2011 sponsored by Boss League. Boss League,